Hi there, I'm Kelly Goss, Business Process Automation Specialist and founder of Solvaa. I've been working with a client called GrantTree that helps businesses in the UK to secure grant funding. And I've specifically been working with their business analyst, Liz Fosbrook, to improve the way that they're processing their tasks and automating them using Zapier. We've worked together to create workflows that have joined up Google Workspace apps, Slack, Pipedrive, Survey Monkey, Asana, and Xero, and optimize the way that they're working. In fact, we've also even managed to reduce their Zapier plan from an astronomical 200,000 tasks a month to 50,000 tasks a month. And that's purely by making sure that we have better workflows in place and workarounds. So here's Liz Fosbrook talking a little bit about how we've worked together.
Hi, I'm Liz, a business analyst at GrantTree, and I've been working with Kelly for nearly 3 years now, and we've worked on a number of Zapier projects together, and I seriously cannot recommend her enough. Her analytical thinking and her problem-solving skills are next to none, and they've helped us find so many super smart solutions to some really, really tricky problems we've had. With Kelly's help, we've now automated many of our processes across the business, and the tools that we use, Pipedrive, Xero, Slack, Asana, just being a few of them, are now all connected. So because of this, our data is a lot cleaner, and we're now able to collect much more timely and accurate data, so our reporting is a lot better. And that's all through the automation work that we've done with Kelly. So thank you so much, Kelly.